Hey guys, Tony here. I just wanted to update you guys a little bit more on my RKT position. Still holding, not actually, I'm up 52K on my shares. On the options, I did actually want to take a little bit of profit just because I didn't want to lose out on something, right? So I did sell, how many did I sell? So I sold, I think on this one, I sold 2 contracts, picked up 2,600. And then for this one, I sold another 2 contracts and I picked up 2,800. So already I made a profit of $5,400 just on the calls. Basically made my original calls free and just letting the rest of them ride out. I still have 5 contracts left for RKT, and I still have the original 3,000 shares that I purchased. So I'm not gonna be selling this. I do think that RKT has a really good chance of pushing closer to the $75 mark. So I think that as of right now, I'm not going to be selling anything. I do think if we hit somewhere around, maybe the $70 mark, I'll probably sell something, maybe around the 75. But I do think this has the potential to keep running towards the $75 and $100 mark, especially if there's some sort of a mini short squeeze. It won't be as crazy as GME, but because this is a heavily shorted stock, I do think that there's a huge potential of RKT to shoot up to like $75. So I'm probably gonna keep holding for a while. So I'll see you guys later.